Hello beautiful subscribers, it's February 24th here in southeastern Pennsylvania, zone 7A, and today we're going to be talking and planting blueberries. I wanted to start the video with the most important information you need to know about planting blueberries. And that's blueberries love and need a very low pH. They desire 4.5 to 5 on the pH scale. Now, this is a problem because most soil in our area is somewhere north of 6 on the pH scale. For my job, I have to pull soil samples, and if you look at these 3 samples from across Montgomery County, Pennsylvania, you will see that there's a 6.7, 6.9, 6.2. So the soil here is above 6 on the pH scale, and the blueberries wants to be down 5 or below. So we're going to need to amend the soil. So the way I like to amend the soil is by using sphagnum peat moss. Peat moss has a pH of 3 to 4. So the soil's at 6, the blueberries want to be down at 5, so we're going to plant the bushes with lots of sphagnum peat moss in the hole, and when we backfill, and hopefully we'll be able to amend the soil down from 6 closer to 5 where the blueberries like to be. So don't be afraid to use a lot of sphagnum peat moss when you plant your bushes. I don't expect everyone to pull soil samples in their backyard, but just trust me and plant the blueberries in peat moss regardless. Alright, as you can see, we have blueberries behind me. I planted these 2 years ago. They are the Duke, Blue Jay, and Patriot varieties. And today, we're going to be adding the Elliot. All of these varieties are northern high bush blueberries. All of these varieties are native to the United States, and they do best in zones 5 through 7. You can see here that the grower New Era doesn't even want you to plant them below zone 7. So these are all northern varieties, which is exactly what you need when you're dealing with late frost and cold temperatures. If you get your blueberries from the local nursery though, you're not gonna have to worry about what zone, because they are going to have the blueberries for your zone already. But if you're ordering them online, then you're gonna need to double check to make sure you're getting the right blueberries for your area. We're gonna put a big layer of sphagnum peat moss here in the bottom and mix it in with the soil. We're gonna add even more because this is gonna help us bring the pH down. Then we're gonna add it all around the plant before we backfill the soil. These Elliot blueberry bushes, they get 4 feet high, 3 feet wide. They're self-pollinating, but they will do much better when they're with other varieties around them. And the berry is supposed to be very large. So hopefully we can come back in 2 years and take a look at the size of the berries. Remember, like I always say, don't forget to rough the root ball up. The bottom of this was pretty good, but the sides up here is jam-packed tight, so we're gonna rough that all up before we put it in there. All right, it's a little low, so let's add some more back in the hole. Some more peat moss. There we go, it's a better height. All right, so I finished planting my 2 Elliot blueberries. And the blueberry patch is growing, which always makes me happy. And I'm new to growing blueberries, so if you guys have any advice for me, please shoot it down in the comments section. Hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you guys in the next video.